Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove an unwanted object on your photos or videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm just going to go to mask, and I'm going to select a rectangle, and I'm going to go and mask like this area right here. Then go back to basic, and you're just going to basically move this to the left side. And then I'm going to go back to mask, and I'm just going to simply feather that out to create a seamless sort of border, making sure that the plane doesn't, like the object doesn't get like seen. If you feather it out too much, you'll be able to see it, but just feather it out just enough so that it covers the object. And as you can see, it looks like it was never there. You do want to use like the same part of where you're gonna like cover it, like I did. Instead of like using one from up here, I use it from the right side of the object. But yeah, that is it. As you can see, it has been removed. It looks like it has been removed. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!